Hello, thanks for joining this interview. I want to know about your free time.
I I am happy that talk and me anything.
Real, first, what do you like doing in your Free time?
And right, enjoy playing football with my friends on Saturdays. As Lois listening to music and like I got dinner. Enjoy reading short stories in the evening. I like walking in the park on Sundays.
Hey, so fun. Where do you usually play football and we?
We as usually play football and the community field near my house on Saturday mornings. Around 9 a.m. highlights avoid 3 hours. After train sometimes go to the cafe with my friends.
Nice. You said you enjoy la, listening to music with cooking with the tie.
In the times most what needs usual and 7 p.m. in my kitchen. Music helps me relax after classes.
Though you have activities you do not like.
Yes, I had cleaning through bathroom and like washing through car. If prefer to speak my frantic doing things enjoy.
Hunter's toy. No, it's my turn. Why do you like to do in your frame time? Your frame.
What interval behaviors? What do you like to do in your free time?
I love you packing and drink. I enjoy got to cinema with my sister on Fridays. I also like cycling early in the morning at the rabbits. I enjoy meeting friends at the library to students and chase Kitsley.
Where do you find and what do you cycle?
Hi, we shall paint and my home studio on Sunday afternoons. I class and 6, 7, 16. I'm 3 times a week along the rebase track. It makes my feel energy for today.
Which activities do you dislike?
I I don't like ironing clothes and I hate shopping for clothes for a long time. I perfect short errands and creative activities.
Thank you. Too soon. By what are your three favorite activities?
My favorites, my favorites are playing and cycling. They are relaxing, and healthy.
I mine or football and walking. In tree park, thank you for three intervene.
Thank you too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.